You ever have that MySQL database that's still on a server that's hosted locally and you need to get it into the cloud? Well, recently I wrote you a blog post on how to do it called Tutorial MySQL DB from Self-Hosted to Managed on Azure. And what we're going to do is a quick crash course on how that was done. So if you'd like to check out the blog post, it'll be linked at the bottom of this video. You should be able to get all the information you need, but let's get it done pretty quickly. So first, I created a prod server 01 which is the name of the MySQL server that I wanted within Azure Database for MySQL Server. It's a fully managed service for your MySQL Server databases. You can enable SSL, you can have login and passwords configured for you. You can have firewall configured. You have all these different services like monitoring, alerting, metrics, and even simple backups done for you. Now, rather than show you how all that's done, you can go through our documentation or take a look at the blog. What I am going to do right now is show you how I'm going to import a database into this. So I've got it kind of ready to go, and this would be the command that I would run. However, let's show you quickly what we're going to be doing. So if we take a look at userdata.sql, you'll see it's just a database with a bunch of random numbers in it. And if I want to import it, all I had to do was go to the original database server, run a MySQL dump, and then now I'm going to do a MySQL import. And it's going to look something like this. I need my password, so let me copy and paste it. Okay, didn't want you to see my password, so pasted it in. And now the database is restoring the contents of user data into the database user data. It's extremely simple to do, and one of the things I'd like to show you that's kind of going on in the background is the fact that there are all these parameters configured for you that you don't have to do. So you don't need to modify a my.cnf file. You can just make changes that you want for the server parameters right in here. No big deal. If you want connection security information, just go here. You can go ahead and add and remove IP addresses that are going to be having access to your MySQL databases. You can enforce SSL if you want your connections to be done over that. Then there's other parameters you can set, like the pricing tier if you need more cores, more storage. All that's capable of being done right in here. And then obviously some of the real basics, like here in properties, the login name, information that's all managed for you, simple and to the point, without having to actually install the server yourself, manage your backups, manage all the monitoring, alerting, and anything that goes with the further life cycle of your database server. So that's it. It's that simple. It's a command that you can run really quickly. And now we can go ahead and just log into the database itself. Let's show databases. Let's use user data. Show tables. Sorry. And then we'll do select star from T1. And that's that. So that's your data that's been moved over from a self-hosted database over to Azure. If you have any more questions or you want to get started with Azure, just get in touch with any of us at any time. And you can always check out my blog post and any other posts I've done at jdestro.org. Thanks a lot.